You are going to love the 2023 Traverse. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.